when you have it down. Now I did take out this part. Here's the back. It's got like the bra clasp here and adjustable straps up top. And then you have the kind of peekaboo thing, but it's a really supportive top with padding, so you don't have to worry about the color or anything coming, poking through or showing through. It's just so cute. This color, this hot pink, like screamed to me, pick me, pick me. So you put this, which comes out, you don't want to lose it. Be careful there. So you just pull it through, you tie it. So you could tie it loose to be lower, or you could tie it all the way tight. Let me knot it, double knot it. So there you go. Now you've got like a little peekaboo thigh going on. It's not quite so matronly, but at the same time, you've got like full coverage back here. You're not gonna be falling out here, but you also have the little peekaboo and the, not plunging neckline, but you've got skin, but you don't have skin. You know what I'm saying? You're covered up where you want to be covered up. Like, so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. It's very supportive. It comes in tons of colors. I wouldn't dry a swimsuit in the dryer, but I did wash it. Everything stayed in place. This, of course, is gonna float up in the water. That's fine. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna like, you do have those little cutouts so you can remove the padding if you wanna remove it completely, or if it gets kind of wadded up in the wash, you can take it out or stick your hand in there and fix it. I just wanted to show you that's the cut of the bottom. Very nice, full cut. It's all like one piece, so you're not gonna have the skirt float up and then show your tummy underneath. It's fully connected and covered.